After tab formation, the cells are ready for final array assembly or stacking. All pouch cell modules have some form of stacking or layering cells on top of each other to form the cell array. While simple in principle, after all, you're just layering pouches on top of each other. Several factors are critical. First, the correct order of components must be selected and placed. Again, sounds simple, but consider what happens when a machine faults midway through the construction of a stack, which results in scrapping the current part in the gripper. How should the machine gracefully recover? What material is available line-side to replace the scrapped component? Second, we're often not just layering pouches, but a multitude of components, including membranes used for isolation, compression material, thermal brakes, and internal module structures. These materials must be available line-side to a densely packed assembly area. Finally, this is the last opportunity to influence the position of the cells in a stack before they must be handled as a group for module assembly. Therefore, precise alignment of the cells, specifically their tabs, is crucial. Getting this step wrong increases the risk of significant assembly and safety concerns further down the line.